black the new green? Now before you start, I'm not talking about this season's winter collection from Josie and Marnie. I'm talking about bio-oil. And no, not the bio-oil that you put on your stretch marks. I'm talking about the bio-oil produced when we thoroughly decompose organic material like straw, wood, hay, even poo, I know, in the absence of oxygen at temperatures of the order of 500 degrees C. So I suppose for the purpose of this presentation, you can imagine it a bit like a combination of soy sauce and Marmite. So I guess probably the first question you're asking yourselves is, so what? What is so special about bio-oil? Well, as researchers, we should be constantly looking for ways to try and reduce the impact we have on the environment. And two of the ways we can actually do that is to reuse waste materials when we can't eliminate it, and secondly, to try and source more sustainable fuels. Now, bearing those two facts in mind, and the fact that by 2020, the UK alone must ensure that 15% of its energy comes from renewable sources, and the fact that bio-oil can come from various waste streams, including poo, it can use some of its components in other industries, and also can be used as a fuel, potentially, bio-oil could be a solution. Problem solved, I hear you say. Well, not quite. We're still in the very early stages of understanding bio-oil in terms of using it as a fuel. We know in the past that biofuel was used in ancient Egypt as a waterproofing membrane. But in terms of fuel application, it's still a relatively new technology. And one of the problems we've got at the moment is stability. Imagine a scenario where you paid for some petrol on day 1, filled up your car, and maybe by day 5, its properties have changed and its performance had changed or deteriorated. You would feel short-changed, wouldn't you? So one of the pieces of research I'm currently involved in is actually trying to quantify stability of oils, bio-oils. And by doing that, hopefully, we can actually develop a quality assurance protocol so that we have confidence in the fuel and you have confidence in us. So, is bio-oil the new green? Possibly, but maybe not this season.